Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Claude with Trello step by step. So to begin, open the Claude website and sign into your account. Once you're on the main chat page, click the plus button beside the message box, and from the menu that appears, select Add Connector, then browse connectors to view the available integrations. And then you will see several supported platforms on this page. However, when you search for Trello, you may notice that it does not appear because Claude currently does not offer a direct Trello connector. Instead, you can use Zapier as the connection between Claude and Trello and search for Zapier, connect your account, and then open Zapier to create a workflow and select Trello, sign in, and choose an action such as creating or updating a card. And after testing and activating the workflow, Claude can help manage Trello tasks, organize card details, and make project updates more efficiently. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.